Have you ever wondered why we eat cows, sheep, and chickens, but almost never see lion burgers or tiger steaks on a restaurant menu? It seems like humans mostly eat herbivores and avoid carnivores. But why? Is there some secret rule of nature that says we can only eat plant-eating animals? Well, not really. And the real answer is actually pretty interesting. Let's find out. First, humans can eat carnivorous animals. There is nothing stopping us from eating them. In fact, people in different parts of the world have eaten animals like crocodiles, sharks, and certain types of predatory fish. So the question isn't, can humans eat carnivores? The real question is, why don't we eat them very often? The biggest reason is efficiency. Think about a cow. A cow eats grass and plants, which are easy to find and grow. Now think about a lion. A lion eats meat. To raise a lion, you would first need to raise other animals for the lion to eat. That means you're feeding animals to feed another animal. It's like buying food for someone else's dinner before you can have your own dinner. It takes more time, more land, and more resources. So, from a farming point of view, herbivores make much more sense. Another reason is safety. Animals like cows, sheep, and chickens are generally easier to manage. Now imagine trying to run a farm full of hungry tigers. One small mistake, and suddenly you're not the farmer anymore. You've become the lunch. Carnivores are often stronger, faster, and more dangerous than herbivores. That's why humans have spent thousands of years raising animals that are easier and safer to handle. There's also the issue of health. Many carnivores are at the top of the food chain. As they eat other animals, certain parasites and harmful substances can build up in their bodies. This can make them riskier to eat compared to many herbivorous animals. That's another reason people have traditionally preferred animals lower on the food chain. But there's also something else. Culture. People usually eat what their society considers normal food. If you grew up seeing cows and chickens as food, that feels completely normal. But if someone offered you a tiger sandwich, you'd probably be pretty surprised. Not because it's impossible to eat, but because it's not part of everyday culture. Food habits are shaped by tradition just as much as biology. And here's something interesting. Humans are omnivores. That means we can eat both plants and animals. Unlike some animals that survive on only one type of food, humans can eat a huge variety of things. That's one reason we've been able to live all over the world. So, do humans only eat herbivorous animals? No. Humans can eat carnivores too. But herbivores are easier to raise, safer to manage, more efficient, and usually make better farm animals. That's why cows, sheep, goats, and chickens became common food sources, while lions and tigers did not. So, the next time you're eating a burger or a chicken sandwich, remember, it's not that carnivores are off limits. It's just that raising a cow is a lot easier than raising a lion. And honestly, the lion probably prefers that arrangement too, because it would rather eat dinner than be dinner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating questions and surprising answers.